Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Farzana Shaheen from Brain Train. Today we are going to do the grammar part, use of there is and there are. यानी there is और there are कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Let's see. Before that you can subscribe the channel so you may get the alerts when I upload the videos. So let's start. So here, बाग में फूलों के कई पौधे हैं. अगर आप ये सेंटेंस देखें तो यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है that something is at some place, कि कोई चीज कहीं पे है, यानी फूलों के पौधे कहीं पे मौजूद हैं. कहाँ? बाग में. तो there ऐसी सिचुएशन में यूज किया जाता है when we tell that something is at some place, कोई चीज कहीं पे मौजूद है. और is और are हम ज़ाहिर प्रेजेंट के लिए यूज करते हैं. तो सारे सेंटेंस आप उस वक्त ये यूज करेंगे, देयर सेंटेंसेस में उस वक्त यूज करेंगे जब आप बताना चाहते हो कि कोई चीज कहीं पे मौजूद है. सो लेट्स सी. बाग में फूलों के कई पौधे हैं. अब यहाँ पे इज कहाँ यूज होगा ये भी बता दें. इज सिंगुलर के साथ और आर प्लूरल के साथ. इज है और हैं के लिए आर. तो यहाँ पे अब अगर हम देखें तो ये होगा there are many flower plants in the garden. अब ये flowers क्यों नहीं है? It could be the question in your mind. It's not flowers because we are talking about plants. पौधों की बात हो रही है तो हम दोनों के साथ s नहीं यूज कर सकते. We'll use only s with plants. So plants will be in the plural form. So there are many flower plants in the garden. काम खत्म करने के लिए काफी वक्त है. So there is enough time to finish work. यहाँ पे अब ठीक है, कोई चीज किसी चीज की प्रेजेंस है, यानी हमारे पास जो वक्त है उसकी मौजूदगी है. I know it's not कि आप किसी जगह पे उसको रख सकते हैं, but still to show the presence of something, कि वक्त है, उसको शो करने के लिए यहाँ पे हमने there यूज किया. इस घर में 5 कमरे हैं. Again, presence of rooms. There are 5 rooms in this house. उनकी कार में काफी जगह नहीं है. So यहाँ पे एक नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आ गया है. अगर नेगेटिव हो तो आप वहां पे नॉट यूज कर लेंगे फॉरन इज या आर के बाद. So there is not much space in their car. नेक्स्ट है कि हमारे घर में एक सफेद बिल्ली है. Again the presence of white cat. So there is a white cat in our house. So सब sentences में अगर आप देखें they are showing presence of something. Now इन्हीं sentences को हम कुछ negative और interrogative भी बना लेते हैं. So first one, बाग में फूलों के कई पौधे नहीं हैं. इसको negative कर दिया हमने यहाँ पे नहीं ऐड किया है. If you see here, नहीं only, और इसी में जब हम यहाँ पे ट्रांसलेशन में जाते हैं then it will be not only ऐड किया जाएगा. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस था there are many flower plants in the garden, so you will add not after are. Remember, again are will be used with the plural things and is will use with the singular things. Okay, next we go. काम खत्म करने के लिए काफी वक्त नहीं है. So again here, if you see, there is not enough time to finish work. So अब time जो है you cannot count it, count नहीं कर सकते वक्त को, इसलिए इसके साथ is use होगा. ये singular form में use होगा. There is not enough time to finish work. Then इस घर में 5 कमरे नहीं हैं. इसमें भी अब नहीं है और हैं से पता चल रहा है plural, और 5 से भी पता चल रहा है कि ये plural है, इसलिए आपने are use करना है. There are not 5 rooms in this house. और क्या उनकी कार में काफी जगह नहीं है? जगह again in singular form. So now it's a question. ये last 2 जो है मैंने question बनाए हैं. So question के लिए जो is या are है वो beginning में आ जाता है. हमने पहले भी सीखा है ये. So we take them out. Is there not much space in their car? So it's a negative and interrogative. Both things हैं इसमें. This sentence is negative and interrogative. क्या उनकी कार में काफी जगह नहीं है? So then, is there not much space in their car? क्या हमारे घर में एक सफेद बिल्ली है? It's only question. So again, first it was there is, then it was a positive sentence, but now it's a question, so we took the is out. Is there a cat? Is there a white cat in our house? Next we check that you understood or not, that where you should use is and where you should use are. So remember again, with singular things is, with plural things are. Okay. So first sentence is there is or are 11 candles on the cake. So how will you know that now? Is or are? Look here. 11 candles. So answer is are. There are 11 candles on the cake. Very good. There is or are a big sale on green beans today. Sale. And A is showing one thing, singular. So it is there. There is a big sale on green beans today. There is or are several quarters on the table. So again, they are several and the other word is quarters. Quarters. So are. There are several quarters on the table. There is or are 4 more chapters left to revise. 4 more chapters. 4 is a plural, then chapters is a plural. So that's why we are going to use are. There are 4 more chapters left to revise. Now there is or are a bunch of flowers in his hand. Flowers is plural, but what he has in hand? Bunch, a bunch of. So that's why, because of the bunch, you will use is. Is. There is or are some milk in the jug. Milk, some milk hai. Milk, can you count milk? No. When you cannot count something, it's singular. Is. There is some milk in the jug. Then there are some books, or there is some books on my desk. Books is saying books are countable. That's why we will use are here. Then there is or are many people in the park. People. So they are plural. That's why you use there are. There are many people in the park. There is or are not much water in the lake. Water, again, you cannot count it. You can count the glass, cup or jug, but you cannot count the water if it's in the lake. So that's why there is not much water in the lake. Then there is or are few cookies left in the plate. Cookies, few cookies. Few, it means you can count it, right? And cookies is in a plural form. So that's why it is there are few cookies left. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember to share with your friends, like it if you think it's a good one. So just write the comments also, so I may know. Share with your friends, and till next video, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.